I'm Hot Car Track.
I'm MC, and this is Aussie Diecast Racing. Let's check it out.
The 4GT has early pace going down the back into turn 1, goes up high, hits the side a bit. The BMW is right on his heels and he just can't catch him from here.
Race 6. Hot Car Track, I can't call this. I think decision pending. Let's go to the replay.
They've both hit that line together. It's unbelievable how tight that is. What do you think, MC?
Hot Car Track, I really can't determine who crossed the line first here. Because we only have one camera angle, it's very hard to determine.
I'm Hot Car Track.
I'm MC.
And this is now Western Raceway. Throughout the lost-forgotten wrecking yards of this barren landscape rise a group of racers
Gone but not forgotten.
They're bruised, battered and left to waste until a new breed of drivers emerge from the wastelands and are willing to join forces and take on Mount Western Raceway in Junkyard Wars. This is Diecast Racing Aussie style. Thanks for watching.